So if you want to see me transform from this to this, then keep on watching and I will show you my entire transformation. So I just had a bath and I used a mask of Magnum Minty and also a hair mask, and I'm going to put some moisturizer on. This one's a really good one. It's the Mint Tea Moisture Balm by Delicious, and it's just a beautiful tingly mint balm, and you can use it like anywhere. I've literally gone through like 5 of these now. They're just amazing and it just melts into the skin. And oh, I wish I was sponsored, but I'm not. Woohoo. I don't believe in primers because I don't know, I've had pilling happen before where my makeup's basically peeled off. I think just using a good sunscreen or a good base will help it stick. As long as it's tacky enough, it should be fine. So you love this one. It's just the Garnier Ombre Solaire and it's in SPF 50. So I'm going to go into the eyebrows with the moisturizer because that area can tend to get quite dry. And again, you want something that's going to be tacky, and when you put your eyebrow product on, you're going to want it to stick on, so don't be afraid to put more layers and get in there. Skin is as smooth as a baby's bum. For the foundation, I'm going to be using the Glossier, it's the Glossier foundation. I forgot what the name was, but it's the only foundation that they carry. It's very dewy, it's quite light coverage, but it's buildable. I want my base to be really nice and glowy, and then for anything else like these spots and hyperpigmentation, I'm going to go into the Tarte Shape Tape. This is a classic. Ever since I used it, I've been hooked. I've tried other concealers as well. This one here is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is a good dupe, but this is the OG and I highly recommend. This foundation is really great because it just looks like skin, and it just blends so seamlessly. The only issue that I've had with this foundation is purchasing it, because when you do buy it online, it's very difficult to figure out what shade you are, because that happened to me and I got stung and got the wrong shade, but they luckily sent out a new foundation shade. I'm just going to use this brush. I know this is going to go on my hood, but I don't really care. There we go. See, look how like seamless that blends. It's not the perfect match, but it's a bit yellow. But when everything is blended in, you will see how beautiful and seamless it's going to look. The B brand, and I believe it's on one of, I think it's Beauty Bay. It's Beauty Bay's company, and yeah, it's called B Cosmetics. And these brushes are good. A bit difficult to clean because I had to clean them before I filmed this, but I think I got a whole set for like £20, which was really good. This is the powder brush, but I use it as a foundation brush and it works perfectly fine. Be a little bit of extra coverage. Right now I'm gonna cover the like problematic areas, like where I have spots. Usually I get them on the side of my face, and then I am just going to tap it in. Oh, with this we're gonna tap it all in, and here too we're gonna tap it in until we get the desired coverage that we want. People don't like to cover their eyelids with foundation, but I do, because it just gives it the exact same base, and then I can go in with a primer. So I'm going to use the exact same brush to just tap over my eyelids. If it goes onto your eyebrows, it doesn't matter because we're going to fill those in later anyway, so it shouldn't be a problem. I'm looking like a blank canvas, which is the desired effect that I want. I'm going to be using the Collection Power Grip. The collection of eyeshadow, like liquid liners, and these bits are amazing. If you know me, I use a mixture of both drugstore and high-end products, just because you get good and bad everywhere, and sometimes you have to just try it and you can't judge it until after you tried it. Pop it all over the eyelids, and then I'm just gonna get my ring finger and then just blend it in, because I'm going to go a little bit winged today with my eyeshadow. So we're going to go across like so. If anyone heard that, that's Prince. It's my husband's coming home from work, so he can see him out the window from the driveway. So he always makes a little noise and goes "Wah!" near the window to say he's home. So I can either use this B brush or I can use this one by Morphe. I usually like this one because it's angled and I can get right in there, and then has a spoolie on the end, which is cool because I can just brush them out if I make any mistakes. This is a palette I've always used for my eyebrows. It's a Soph X mini eyeshadow palette. I go into a mixture of both the light brown and the dark brown. We're going to go into the light brown first, and then just like that, make little strokes. Just go over the arch, through it, and then do the little tail at the end. Can you hear him? He's going wow. There we go. And I just go a little bit through the front. You don't want to go too much through the front because you don't want to make them look boxy. So I just do that, and then once those are done, I brush through them. Who's this? Oh, it's Cherry. I'm gonna go into the Morphe palette. It's the 9Z, just say Zen Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go into the pink over here and just brush it all across my eyes. And I'm gonna wing it out a little bit. How was work?
Yeah, it was okay.
I'm gonna go into this brown shade here to amp it up a bit and give it a bit more wow boom. In and then wing it, as you can see. Glitter on, and my dress is an English style dress, so I don't want it to be too much going on. You go back into that pink shade again and just go over. We are going to go into loads of shimmers. The Huda Beauty Mercury in Retrograde palette in the corner, and it's in the shade Cosmic. This is my favorite thing to do. This is the Collection glitter liner. I Am Strong, number 2, I Am Strong, and it's literally one of my favorite makeup products to ever use. And then bring it up like this, and the same for this one. Go in and then bring it up, and that way it goes up and over. I'm just going to keep adding more and more glitter because I love glitter. So they discontinued this. I love it. I know it's so weird, but this is literally makeup by Asta. It's George makeup. And it says Glam Eyes. I've had this palette for years and years and years. And I've always loved the cream highlighters in here. And this one is just absolutely perfect. Like, look at that. I'm sure you can get something like it online or anywhere really, but it's just a perfect little. And I put a little bit on my nose, and oh, look at it. It's literally stunning. And I'm gonna put some over here. Oh, look at that. I'm just gonna blend it with my fingers so it sort of melts in. And it's just, oh goodness, such a gorgeous glow. I do my makeup in a really, really weird order, but that's just the way that I do it. Fenty Beauty blush, I'm going to Sangria Sunset. This palette is deceased and I need to get a new one. Hey! So I'm going to go in with this, and I'm just going to use my finger because it's so broken. I'm going to pat. And now that I just look like I've been slapped by a Dorito, I'm going to go with a blush brush. And just blend. And sort of follow the eye contour and go up. Take it upwards because that's going to give you more cat eye look, which is what I'm going for. The Jeffree Star Platinum Eyes palette. And I am going to grab a fan brush for highlighter. And then go like this. This concealer, which is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm just gonna go have a couple of dots under the eye just to give it a more upturned look. So I'm gonna go really close. Hello, you are on the video.
I'm on the video.
Yes, yes you are.
Yes.
Yes.
Tell me I danced in.
Did you?
Yeah.
And go under. And then pull it upwards like this. Already kind of snatched us in a little bit. English tea with honey in it. Chef's kiss. Best thing ever. This is how we're looking currently, and I've just asked Luke to grab some lashes so I can put some lashes on. I was thinking of putting black eyeliner on, but I don't know, I just like the way that the eyeshadow's winged out, so I might leave the liner and then put the lashes on and then put like a glossy lip on. I think these ones are actually from Temu. Temu. I got them on Vinted. I think someone resold them. But yeah, they're kind of like half lashes in a way. I think I've got some lash glue with me. One sec.
Could probably do me going a bit more over. I think it's supposed to go more like this. It looks more natural then.
And you go. So it's a little bit tacky. They look entirely natural, so I'm going to get the Better Than Sex mascara.
They don't look entirely natural. That's probably because they're not.
Because they're not natural. We're going to go with the Better Than Sex mascara and just blend it in. So, what? Go ahead, you were talking?
That's a bold statement.
Well, tell that to Too Faced. So I'm going in with the NYX in Nude Truffle. Why are you laughing?
Just thinking, all this effort. I'm not even going to be seeing you for most of the night anyway.
It's a segregated wedding, by the way, guys. I'm gonna align like I'm Kylie Jenner. He's just cringing in the back.
Did you hear that cringe?
Yeah, everyone heard it.
I think all of you subscribers heard that flipping cringe. Oh.
Oh yes.
Anyway.
Oh yeah. Get it all on there. Lip liner is your best friend if you're going to be eating, which I'm going to be eating a lot. I've barely eaten at all today. So, all the fatties, comment down below if you're a fatty girl. I'm a fatty girl. Comment down below. All my fatties can relate. Right. That is done. I'm not going to set with setting spray because I don't want to destroy it. So yeah, this is the finished look. Now, let's get my outfit on. I really, really like it. I think I've done a really good job. This is the outfit. It's a vintage gown. And I've put a long sleeve over the top and then obviously a hijab. And yeah, this is how I look. Like a true kitchen queen. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the like if you've liked the video. Comment down below if you're not subscribed. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.